This is the strong tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Spain, and that's the link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click on eSim links and open voyafly.com and click on this and write Spain and click on this, open new page and scroll down and choose data type unlimited or fixed data. Choose a speed plane, light, plus, premium. Alright, recommend unlimited, and speed plane recommend plus, maybe premium, and scroll down and select this 30 days and click on buy it now. Open new page and click on this discount code at the right, ROM tips. Okay, and click on apply, and total amount 150. Yes, this already discount from tips good. Alright, and click on Google Pay and buy eSim, or write email, write payment, and write mailing address and click on pay now and open new page and buy eSim and send your email address, QR code eSim, and activation instruction. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.